Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel Victor Explains. In today's video is about how to fix file system error 214741635 or 2015294512 when starting any game from Microsoft Store and from Xbox Game Pass PC in Windows 11 and 10. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.